You are going to love the 2016 ProMaster City. The Ram ProMaster City is available in multiple trims and comes with backup cameras, hands-free calling, and low floor heights. The wide variety of configurations allows you to find the right fit for you and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, tachometer, power steering, one-touch windows, 2 cargo area light. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.